What happened?
What happened to the Mustang, man?
I still got it.
They say you burnt the wires up on it?
Yeah, I burnt the wires up. Man, the
whole harness?
Yeah.
Say, the whole harness? Right?
Yeah.
The whole harness.
Yeah, I got it.
I like that bitch. I said, bitch, at the Instagram.
Yeah.
That bitch got up there.
Yeah.
That bitch got down, though, man. What
Yeah.
that bitch that was? That was called a special project.
That bitch got down.
You know what I call that bitch? Big the cat. Yeah, he got a bag of goddamn tricks for your ass.
Yeah.
Look out racing in the building, man. About to see what's going on up here at Yellow Belly.
You got somebody I can race? Looking for something soft. Hey, man, what you want to do, man? What you want to do one time? All right, come on, I'm ready. I'm ready. Got me a race, y'all. Look out.
Yeah. Wonderful cat.
Oh, I never him. You want to do something today? I'll try you. Come on with it. All these charges. Oh, yeah, look nice. I'll try him. Suscríbete. Buscanos en carreras in YouTube. All right. What you want to do today? I'm ready. Look at him, y'all. He ain't got no interior. Oh. I think I'll get him. I'm gonna go and make me a pass, man. I ain't even got positive traction. Shit, one wheel like a what the hell they pulled up? Oh, I might. I ain't checking my air pressure. I'm gonna try to ease out then. I say it did alright. Already, man.
Walking around the set, you spraying that bitch.
Man, I ain't spraying that. No, I ain't.
I had you off the line.
No,
like
man.
Foot, bro.
No.
Bro, your ass, ain't no fucking way.
No, I ain't got no spray.
You spraying.
I swear, man. No, you ain't heard nothing. Hey, that's straight.
My first rodeo, dog.
Man, I'm trying to tell I ain't doing no spray.
60-footed you and I had you for a minute.
I
You came around
I had
me like, bro, he came around me like I was in still.
For real? Oh, man, you spraying that.
No, I ain't spraying.
That bitch ain't moving like
No, man, hell no. Man, I'm telling you, I swear ain't no spray, fool. No spray. Man, this your first road. I ain't lying.
I had you for a minute and I heard that motherfucker coming.
Man, I ain't sprayed, man. I swear, man. I swear, man. Man, I'm telling you. No, yeah, I ain't got no. I promise, man. I ain't got no nitrous. Hey, I ain't got no nitrous.
You gotta give me the hit.
No, I got the.
I thought it was motor, bro.
No, I'm on video. I ain't got no juice. I ain't got no juice, bro. I'm gonna scoot up, man. I told you I ain't gonna spray you, fool. Man, I'm telling you, bro. I'm gonna show him the video. Show him the video. Man, I ain't got it all the way tuned yet.
Show him the video, dog.
Nah, I got a slow takeoff.
Look at that video and ask him for that video and watch that video. Come on, man.
Man, come on, man.
He beat me. I need the hit.
No.
I fucked with you because I thought it was on motor.
60-footed
I'm
this
on
man. Had this man for about 100.
I said I ain't gonna spray, man.
I had this man for 108, about 180 yards, bro. This man came around me about sitting still, bro.
That's fair. I thought you was motor.
Nah, I said I ain't got no juice. I ain't got no juice. I swear to God, I ain't got none. Man. Yello, what's up, man? Yeah, I'm trying to see if I got it right. Get on y'all ass.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah, I'm trying to get on y'all ass. Goddamn. Ah, man, I got one wheel peel in this motherfucker, man. I need positive traction. That motherfucker on the pass. me. Do all this shaking. I just want to do it with you. Oh, this your first time? Uh-oh. Oh, shit. All right, here it go. Here it go. Your time to shine. Ready, man. Beast, dude. The one who drink gorilla breast milk in the morning.
Oh, yeah, that little strong motherfucker. Yeah. Shit work. I need to buy some.
Yeah, I need a third a day. He got a year supply. He got the year. Okay. You ain't got no nitro.
Okay, why you fucking...
What now, man?
Why you fucking pussy? Like, this guy wanna race you? Why you fucking like... You don't wanna race or what the fuck?
Beast, dude. He drinks gorilla breast milk every morning for breakfast. Like, just run heads up, man. You got his head,
That damn tire wasn't spinning.
I know that Mustang running, all them goods, man. We're gonna be in ninth gear when we finish, man. Okay, suscríbete, Buscanos en Carreras en YouTube. See, I learned Spanish for you, man. Oh, that was good. It was a good race too. Oh, that's me. Uh-oh. Look like I'm